My name's Rob Woodward from Network Yacht Brokers Barcelona. Join me. Let's have a look together around this Bavaria 40 yacht. I'm going to explain some of the reasons why a used Bavaria yacht represents fantastic value for money in today's used yacht market. This particular yacht was built in 2002, and it just so happens that we were lucky enough to be visiting the Bavaria Yacht factory at the time. I witnessed myself the superb build quality that Bavaria Yachts were achieving in their semi-automated factory. As with several of the leading boat manufacturers, the goal at Bavaria has always been to automate the complex task of building yachts fast. A point that I want to make: traditionally, and it will always be the case, that many boat builders take more than a year to construct a yacht. Way back in 2002, Bavaria was capable of building yachts within weeks rather than months. Fast production lines capable of making hundreds of yachts each year were the solution to delivering quality yachts at affordable prices. The Bavaria price-saving strategy helped more people than ever before get into boating. Hull construction remained a manual process, as no machine was capable of ensuring that the fiberglass mat was laid without trapping pockets of air that might lead to osmosis. Back in 2002, Bavaria was one of the first boat builders to use a robot to precisely cut the windows and shapes from hand-laid hulls and decks. Combining labour-saving construction techniques with advances in sail rigging systems, Bavaria ensured each yacht was fitted with a sail system that would not only be very efficient, sailors didn't even need to leave the safety of the cockpit to raise and lower sails. In-mast furling, as used on this Bavaria, allows the user to roll out a precise amount of sail for weather conditions. Well-proportioned side decks with sturdy handrails along the coach roof are a nice feature of this yacht. Cockpit sizes have increased further since this Bavaria 40 was built in 2002. However, she has a perfectly proportioned seating and helm area for her size. A sturdy and trusted Volvo Penta diesel engine with closed-circuit water cooling is conveniently situated behind the companionway stairs. Below the deck, the modular construction techniques used by Bavaria has created a unique living space. The linear galley used on the 40 in place of a traditional L-shaped galley frees up space for a good-sized shower and toilet compartment at the back of the main saloon. Simple design principles at Bavaria have led to thousands of Bavaria yachts being chosen by charter companies because of their reliability and functional design. There is absolutely no doubt in my mind that if you're in the market and looking for a quality used yacht, the Bavaria brand is one you simply cannot afford to ignore. Thanks for watching this short video about the Bavaria 40. For more information about buying a used yacht, give us a call at Network Yacht Brokers Barcelona or email us. We're always happy to help sailors find their next yacht.